Hey guys, it's Melanie. I'm here with Kathleen. Today we're going to show you guys how to do some flat iron waves. So yeah, let's get started. First, we'll start off with Aveda's Thermal Dry Conditioner Spray. This will condition the hair and protect your hair from heat damage. Be sure to cover each area you'll be using a hot tool on. Now we'll section off the hair into 4 to 5 parts so we can work quickly. Then we'll start taking 1 to 2 inch sections of the hair and slowly rotating the flat iron to create your waves. I like to change the direction of the waves by switching between right and left turns. This gives more fullness and body to the hair. I also like to run the flat iron through the ends or over any waves that look too tight to help loosen them. After each wave, I comb through using my fingers to help soften the look. Let each section down and continue alternating directions. I like to turn the flat iron away from the face once I reach the side sections. This helps to open the face and keep the hair from curling too much into the face. Finish with Aveda Air Control Hairspray. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.